want to be integrators that, particularly young kids, like when I'm telling my kids who are 15, 18, kids going to school, what should I do? What should I do? I'd be like, learn all you can about AI, but learn more on how to implement them in companies.
Mark Cuban says spend every waking minute learning AI. Kevin O'Leary says it. Alex Hormozy says it. Basically, every successful person right now is telling you to learn AI, but nobody is telling you what to actually do with it. Here's where it actually matters right now. There's a huge shift happening in property, and most people have no idea that it's a massive opportunity. The new Rent Reform Act means tenants can now leave a tenancy with just 2 months notice. There's no more fixed contracts locking them in for a year. It sounds small, but for landlords, it's just an absolute nightmare. They can lose their tenant at any point with no warning and then sit there with no income while they try and find someone new. Over 220,000 landlords are expected to leave the rental market this year alone because of this. 700 rental properties are being listed for sale every single day. That's just landlords giving up. If a tenant does stop paying or things go drastically wrong, it's not a quick fix anymore. Landlords have to go through the court process, which is long in itself, and the average case takes around 33 weeks to resolve. That's roughly like 8 months with no income while still paying for the mortgage. It's unpredictable, it's stressful, and a lot of landlords are realizing they just can't rely on it anymore. Now, here's where you can come in. You don't need a house, you don't need a deposit, a mortgage, or savings sitting in the bank. You just need to be the person who walks up to a stressed landlord and says, let me take this problem off your hands. You offer to manage their property in Airbnb instead. The guests will come and go, so there's no single tenant who can trap them in an 8-month court battle anymore. You handle the bookings, the guests, the cleaning, all of it. They just get paid reliably every single month without lifting a finger. And in return, you take a cut of what comes in from all the bookings. Think about what that actually means for you. You're not buying anything, so there's no risk of house prices dropping on you. You're not waiting years for equity to build. You start earning the moment the first guest checks in, and it can scale. One property might make you a few £100 a month, but the exact same system on 5 or even 6 properties can replace a full-time salary, all without owning a single one of them. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to make that offer look professional using AI and how to actually find and approach the landlords who need it right now. So let's get into it. All we're going to be using for today is Claude, and in Claude, we can use something called Claude Design. So I think this is actually a pretty new update that has come out in Claude. I just think it's crazy what you can build out with AI. But all you're going to need is Claude and this one single prompt that I put together. So I built this prompt out, what you can use to help build the brochure and also build your offer, what you're going to be using to sell to landlords. If you do want access to this prompt, which I already have pre-built, I put this in the free school community last week. Basically, if you've not joined up to it already, there's a link in the description below and you can basically get access to it and you can start building out your own offer off the back of it. So all we're going to do, once we've basically put this in, we'll copy and pasted this into here, is just press send here. And what's going to happen is it's going to give me a list of questions we can fill out based on the prompts we've actually put in. As you can see, once you're basically trying to prove that, it gives you a list of all questions you're just going to need to fill out for this. So you can see you've got your name, company name, where you operate, how long you've been going, how many properties you manage, your edge and what you're proud of, and you're going to put all this in here, and it's going to help you build out this offer where you can start pitching to landlords. So I'm going to build it out right now. I'm just going to start populating it, and you can do the exact same as well. So for this case, what I'm going to do is just create artist stays. So you can think of your own name in your own time. It can just be super simple. It can be your surname. It can be like, for example, if you was called Jack Smith, it can be just Smith Stays. And you can do the exact same for yours. Where you operate, depending on where you are. So for example, me, I can just put I'm operating in Manchester. How long I've been operating for, let's just do 0 months for this case. How many properties we manage. On this instance, we're going to say we manage 0 properties, and your edge and what you're proud of. What I'm going to put for this one is that I am local expert. So it'll be super simple. And your story in one line, it gives you some really good prompts here. So again, I can put, similar to how I put to the other one, you can mess around with this, but basically what it's going to do anyway is build out the full brochure with your offers on there. So when you actually are speaking and sending this out to landlords, it just makes your life 10 times easier because they just fully see you, your offer, and it just makes you people more likely to buy into you off the back of this as well. So it is really good. Brand accent color. My actual business is navy, but for this one, I want to change it up. So I'm going to put deep green. Contact method, I'm going to put, book a call, and it's going to be through WhatsApp. Logo, if you have a logo, put this here. Hopefully, if you're watching this, it's not your number, but what you'll see in a minute once it fully populates is a landlord can click on that and actually reach out to you. So I'll write a headline for me, write a bold one for me, let's see what it says, and press continue. Right, I press continue, so it's gone into the next part. So while Claude's working away, building out for us, let me talk to you, because this bit is important, especially if you're a complete beginner. What you're watching being built right now is a genuine offer you could take to a landlord this week. You don't need to own a property. You don't need money for a deposit. You're just offering a service, managing someone else's Airbnb, and you get paid a percentage of every single booking that comes in. And just to make that real for you, say you sign one landlord on a 16% management fee and you make them £5,000 in bookings a month, that's £800 to you for one property every single month. If you get 3 of those, you're at £2,400 a month. If you get 5 of them, you're at around £4,000 a month. And for most people, that's a full-time income replaced from properties you just don't even own. And I know it works because it's exactly what I did nearly 3 years ago. Nearly 3 years ago, I was in a corporate sales role back in Manchester. It was a decent salary. It ticked all the boxes on paper from the outside. It just looked like I had it all together, but I just sit in meeting after meeting, chasing someone else's targets, and go home every single day feeling so unfulfilled. And here's the part most people in that position never realise. That job was already training me for this. Sales, admin, customer service, recruitment, whatever it is, it's the same skills. I'm speaking to people, I'm handling the messages, staying organised, solving problems. That's the exact skill set this business runs on. Most people just never get paid properly from it. So I started an Airbnb management business. One landlord, one property, one offer that looked a lot like the one Claude's building on your screen right now. Fast forward to today, we manage close to 100 properties, generating around £200,000 a month in bookings, and we just don't own a single one of them. I've got a full team running the operation back in the UK, and now I live out in Dubai with my best mate, who I built the whole thing with. I'm not saying that to show off. I'm saying it because I didn't have anything special when I started. I had no portfolio. I did have 0 connections, and there was just no extra money sitting around for me. I was just in a normal 9 to 5, well, in my instance, 8:30 till 6, and I did have a skill set though, and a decision to actually use it. But get it? It's easy to say numbers and camera, so rather than me just telling you, let me actually show you. So this is our booking platform. It's called Guesty, and this is basically where everything sits for us. So Airbnb, the booking.com, and you can actually see through here if I get the analytics up of what we done last month. So if I quickly show you this, it says revenue £44,000. This was last week. So if I filter it by, just do last month for instance, in easy maths, we've done 187,000 last month, and we are now on the 10th, I believe, 11th of July. You'll see for July alone, we're at £136,000 in bookings for the month for properties we just don't own. While I've been showing you all of that, Claude has been quietly building yours in the background. So it's actually put this together already. As you can see, it's called Earn More From Your Property, Do None of the Work. This is what you're going to be sending out to landlords. To even put the stuff we talked about in the prompts that we filled out for Claude. So you'll see we've got a 14% self-managed package that we can send to landlords. The most popular, which I think is just really good that Claude can even pick up on this. So landlords are now more like basically going to pick this one over any other one. We've got a 16% one, which is all of this plus this. So now it's a fully managed one. Then we've got the 18% one, which is everything in full managed plus done for you staging and styling. So now that we've got our office built out, we can officially send this over to landlords and start pitching our service. The page on its own earns you nothing. It's what you do with it over the next week or two that actually matters. So let me show you exactly what I do with it. I'd go and open rent. Every listing on there is a landlord advertising their property directly. There's no agent in the middle. These are people already managing their own properties. And given everything happening with the rent reform right now, plenty of them are just tired of it. Pick the area you want to target and message those with listings who have already been sat there for a while. Just keep it short and honest with them. You've noticed their property, you offer Airbnb management services, and you think it may be able to earn more for them with none of the day-to-day work. And would they be open to a quick chat? That's it. You're not sending an essay out to them. There's no hard sell to them, and no promising numbers you just can't back up. And when they reply to you, get them talking on the phone if you can, because you're not pitching percentages at them, you're solving their problem. Ask what's frustrating them right now with them renting out. Let them tell you about the void periods. Let them tell you about the tenant hassle, the new regulations, then show your offer. Put their numbers into the calculator and let them see what their take home could look like. That page does a lot of convincing. Your job is to just have an honest conversation with them. And if I'm honest, just treat it like a numbers game, because that's exactly what it is. If you message 20 landlords, you might get a handful of conversations from it. You're looking for one yes. There's no magic number, and some weeks will be quiet, but one yes is your first property and your first proof for every conversation after it. That's when it starts to compound, because landlord number 2 is a much easier conversation to have and to talk to than your first landlord. This is genuinely one of the biggest windows we've seen in property. Rent reform has landlords panicking right now. today, not in some future predictions. 220,000 of them are expected to leave this year. 700 properties are being listed for sale every single day because of it. That's not a slow shift you've got years to catch up on. That's happening this month. While landlords are actively looking for a way out before they sell up completely, the ones who move on this now are going to have their first pick of landlords desperate for an alternative. The ones who wait are going to be the ones pitching to landlords who've already sold or already signed with someone else. And I actually want you to sit with how mad the entry point to this is. 6 months ago, if you wanted to look credible enough for a landlord to hand you their first property, you needed design skills or money or to pay someone who had them. Now you can open Claude, you can feed it with what you do and who you're targeting, and in 15 minutes you've got something that looks like it came from a company managing 50 properties, not 0. That's not a small efficiency gain. That's AI removing the actual barrier that used to stop people from starting. Think about what that means for the barrier to entry here. There's no deposits, there's no mortgage, there's no years of savings needed anymore. It's just you, a stressed landlord who wants to get their problem solved, and an offer you built in less than, 5 or 10 minutes? That's the whole business idea. And it's available to basically anyone right now. And once a landlord says yes, running it is genuinely so simple. It's just a case of knowing the right order to do things in. You gotta price it properly, setting up the guest experience, getting the systems in place so that one property can become 5 or even 6 without just any extra stress. That's exactly what we walk through, start to finish, and we show you this in our free Airbnb management course that is linked below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.